In today's video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this Barndominium right behind me. Be sure to watch clear to the end of the video because it has one secret surprise you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. So this Barndominium measures in at 54 by 112 by 18 tall. As you can see, some of the features on the outside, we've got a front porch, we've got a back porch. We also got 12-inch overhangs. We got the electric on ran up for the can lights up top in the soffit. As you can see, the color combination the customer went with, the matte black and regal white. And if you can see on the porch entrance here, we've got the decorative truss. Starting out here in the shop area, this is a 54 by 56. They already got the concrete done here. We got HVAC. The guys are here working today on that. One cool thing that stands out with this interior liner package that we did for the customer, they did wainscot on the inside, and you very rarely see that. So we've got the black 36-inch steel wainscot, and they also did a black ceiling. So I think that really stands out. These two doors right here, he's got two 12 by 12 overhead doors, and the one on this side is a 20 by 16 overhead door. One other thing we have up here, I don't know if you can see it with it being black, but it's a 24 by 48 attic access. So if they need to get up in the attic to work on lighting or any of the HVAC, anything like that, they have access to that. You can see here, we got the framing up. We got plumbing installed. Electrical is installed. Like I mentioned earlier, HVAC, we'll show you that on the second story. They're here working on that today. They're gonna have a fireplace right here. I'm assuming that's gonna be stone, but I'm not for sure. We'll have to wait and see until that's done. But guys, look at all these windows. We do have a couple rooms that we passed back here. Assuming will probably be some laundry rooms, bathrooms. We've got some plumbing in here. Assuming that'll be a closet. I'm guessing this is gonna be the bathroom, probably the master bath. So that was just the first story. Now let's go take a look upstairs and see what they got going on up there. So as you guys can see, this is just a massive second story up here. Got a nice big bedroom. Got our electrical ran up here. Look at all that space down there. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, one of the cool things about this project is something hiding underneath. Let's go check it out. A lot of people ask us, can I put a basement in a Barndominium? Well, the answer is yes, you can. And that's exactly what this customer did. So I'll take you down here to their basement. You can see still being worked on. Got some plumbing running down here. Get your foundation walls. This would be a good spot, you know, living in the Midwest. This is a really smart option. If you can do it, this is a good place to get away from storms. I'm really interested to see how the customer has all this laid out. So be sure to stay tuned to our channel, check for more updates, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.